This is what it looks like from the inside of my car. It's been snowing for probably, I don't know, 5-6 hours. I'm gonna sit in here, eat lunch and record some video. Alright, what's up guys? I'm stuck in my car. It's snowing. Kind of lazy to clear off all the snow from my windows since I have to go back to work. But I guess I probably should, because I'm usually at work about 12 hours a day. So by the time I get off, it might be like 4 to 6 inches of snow, and my doors might be stuck closed or frozen closed. But we'll see how I feel after lunch. Crazy, man. See the back window? It's snowing hard. Hell yeah. Okay. But they ain't gonna let us go home early. Oh, shucky darn. Okay. So I walked over to McDonald's. Because it's pretty close. And I don't want to drive because there's so many cars here. Even parked, my car's gotten hit like 3 times in this parking lot. So really don't trust the drivers around here. Walked over to Mickey D's. Got some large fries, large order fries. I use the mobile app, so I got a free Big Mac. I do like the quarter pounder better, but it was not an option. Well, I guess it was. The quarter pounder was an option, but if I'm gonna get the quarter pounder, I wanted to get a double patty quarter pounder, and that one ain't free. Okay. Sure, those fries will fill me up. All right. Sure, everybody's seen a Big Mac before. Ba-blam! Okay. So definitely the meat patty is definitely bigger in the Big Arch. I think not only is it a little bit wider, it's definitely thicker as well. So you get 2 patties just like the Big Arch, but smaller meat patties. You get 3 buns with the Big Mac, and the Big Arch only has 2, I believe. Oh, is this new? I thought the Big Mac didn't have onions before, but I guess they do now. Then, pickles, the signature Thousand Island sauce, a lot of lettuce. All the sauces explode in there. Yeah, not bad. I give the Big Mac an 8, maybe 8.5. I think I definitely like it better than the Big Arch, even though the Big Arch has more meat. I think the Big Mac is tastier. Or maybe it's just because I've been eating the Big Mac for decades. I'm used to it. Big Arch is bigger, but not as tasty. quarter pounder is still number one for me. But this was free, so free off that if you use the app and you via reward points. So that's why I got it. Otherwise, if I had to pay, I would have got a double quarter pounder. Super messy though. Okay. So for sure I'll finish that off. Still have a lot of my large fries left. Probably not gonna finish that. Otherwise I'll be in a food coma when I get back to work. But I also did buy 4-piece mcCrispy. So probably work on that as well. Probably have some leftovers. I'll snack on a little bit later. Again, in order to make it the whole 12 hours, I usually have to take a food or snack break around hour 10. All right. Yeah. Still think probably the McDonald's fries are the best on the market. Better than all the other competition. Let's see. Let's try the chicken strips. Oh, did they not give me my barbecue sauce? Oh, there it is. Okay. You gotta go with the barbecue sauce, man. That's the best one. Okay. Can't see anything, but I hear a lot of people laughing. Must be other people trying to get to their car. With snow all over it. Well, I bet this parking lot will be empty in about 2 hours because everybody will be able to go home early except for us. So, another free tip: don't work in healthcare. If the world is ending, you still got to stay and work. If there's a novel pandemic that's going to kill everybody, you still got to stay and work and see the sick people. There's a blizzard, you got to stay and work. Sorry, not trying to be negative here. Just kind of cold. I guess I better start the car back up and crank the heater. But the crispy strips, pretty good. Even better with the barbecue sauce. With barbecue sauce, I'll give it a 9. Chicken's tender. Little bit crispy on the outside, but not too bad. Not too crispy. Not too hard. Okay. All right. Uh-oh. Do I see hair on my mcCrispy? There's a millimeter white hair there. Ah. Oh well, I'm hungry. It's deep fried. Probably killed all the germs anyways. We're good. Alright. Okay. Yeah. McCrispy, great. Big Mac, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Not my favorite sandwich at McDonald's, but when it's free, you can't complain. Free Big Mac. Fries are kind of expensive. It's like $5, $6 for a large fry. Since when do you have to pay $5 for potatoes? Damn inflation, man. I remember back in my day, a Big Mac was only 5 cents. No, just kidding. But it was probably like, I don't know, $2 or something like that. And now it's probably like, I don't know, 7 or 8. Inflation is real, boys and girls. Pretty soon, our money's gonna be worth nothing. Sorry, I'm trying to do a mix in a food and a finance video at the same time here. All right, well, I'm gonna finish my Big Mac here and maybe the chicken nuggets, but for sure I can't finish the fries because I'm going back to work. Thanks for joining and click on the next video, guys. See the snow? Snow!